this is the unboxing from today and this amazing vacuum. I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you how this looks like. Open with me this amazing vacuum cleaner. 1300 watts packet, a brush, 5 tools, H13 HEPA filter, and it's an automatic cord rewind. It's amazing vacuum cleaner for carpets, hardwood floors, pet hair. Comes with all these tools and of course with instructions. Well, with power canister, vacuum brusher nozzle for cleaning blend, small nozzle for cleaning inside the car, tool nozzle and 3-stage. It comes as well with pet brush. They have the gears. Pretty much they have rollers here and some silicone material on top. This is really designed for pickup pet hair. And the other one is the bigger roller and it's 2 modes of operations there. Hardwood floor and low peel carpet. With this you can manage the power, quickly open the up to release more suction. That way you can release the suction. It will help you to vacuum high places. To push to side down, and it has very nice mechanisms to lock it when you need it. Very nice wheels and it's very easy to carry, very light. Here it has 20 feet cord. That is a very long cord honestly, so you can move it all over. Here is red and yellow, so you know when it's coming too near to the end. This cord retracted automatically. If you step on, you click it, just like this, boom, mechanic. And then use the on and off button right here, and the suction control over there is pretty nice. And this is the vacuum cleaner you have down here. Wheels allow you to move it all over around. Here is the filter. So you have to attach this on the front, and this way the things attach together. The other one to attach to the vacuum cleaner, right over the middle. The other one will connect it to vacuum head. See how much suction do we have. Click the power button. Amazing that you don't have to be worried about the battery. With this vacuum, you can have it always connected. Can you adjust the motion, just turning the very smooth operation. I like it, really smooth. And this one you swap up.
So I'm really impressed with this vacuum because I didn't really vacuum for that long, and I'm super impressed with how much I was able to get up.